Do you want to make $5 per hour removing image backgrounds? Then make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm about to share with you where to get this kind of job, how to achieve it, and how to get your money. So I'll be taking you down to my screen right now, showing you how to go about this and how to get this done. Okay guys, let's dive in. If you are returning back, welcome back. If you are new here, I will strongly insist you hit on that red subscribe button right now, hit on it, and make sure it's on all bell notification. Turn all bell notification. Is totally free, you are not paying anything. Okay, so hit on that subscribe button and make sure it's on all bell notification. Why are you doing this? So YouTube can notify you or inform you anytime I drop awesome content like this to help you make more money online. So this channel is all about business, influence, and impact. I create videos around passive and active income, tips and strategies to help increase your income online. My name is Uhunoma Evans, and this is what we do here. So at the beginning of this video, the title of this video is how to make $5 removing image background. To many, it might sound funny. That's the reason the market is not saturated, and that is the reason it is less competitive. And that's why I'm bringing it to you. So the skill set we are talking about here is removing of image background. And you don't actually need to be a graphic designer to do this, okay? You can do this with your prior knowledge. Now, why is this key? Why are you removing image background and earning $5 from it? Now, a lot of companies and a lot of e-commerce brands are emerging on the internet today, and every day people are coming in the internet space. A lot of companies are emerging, a lot of e-commerce store, a lot of e-commerce brands are emerging every single day. Okay. Now, if you go to this prominent and this big e-commerce website like Amazon, Jumia, Konga, and the likes. Now, you notice one thing: most of their photos or most of their items they showcase on their store does not have image backgrounds. Okay, as you can see, this product right here are without image background. If you go to Konga, it's almost the same thing. So 80% of the products right here are without image background. As you can see in Jumia right now, 80% of the product. This is an earpod. So 80% of their products are without image backgrounds. E-commerce stores are emerging every day on the internet, and companies are emerging every day on the internet, and they are selling these things, and they need independent freelancers to do these things for them. Now, this is where you come in. You come in as a worker performing this work for them. Many of them, this work might sound very simple, but many of these companies does not have the time to do all of this. Okay, they need people who can be doing this for them. They need freelancers who can be doing this for them. They can't be going down the street looking for freelancers to perform this kind of work for them. Where they get them are places they position themselves, and then reach out to them to perform this kind of work for them. So these are e-commerce stores who are dealing with this kind of business, but they don't do this. Okay, it's just like you being a social media manager and companies reaching out to you to manage their website, to manage their social media apps, maybe Facebook or maybe Instagram and so on and so forth. So are these people looking for people to remove background image for them. Now, if you go to Fiverr right now, you are going to see that Fiverr is a freelancing platform for where independent freelancers go to perform tasks, or where you can sign up with Fiverr and start performing tasks with Fiverr. Now, we are going to type something right now on Fiverr. We're going to type remove image background. Image background. So once we search on remove image background, these are people offering this job on Fiverr. And this is a level 2 seller, and it's starting at $5. Crop image, resize photos, remove $5. This one is change or remove image background, starting for $5. These are just their starting points. Many of them offer this service for $20 and above. And remove image background or $5. Remove image background $5. Remove image background $5. Remove image background $5. This is professionally remove image background $10. Now we are going to click on this very one right now. I'm going to click on this, and you're going to see something right now. So these are freelancers like you offering this kind of job on Fiverr, and they are getting paid for it. As you can see, this person has received 290 orders, 290 orders, and he already have one order in queue right now. One order in queue means someone is already have one order in queue means he has an unfinished order. So these are people offering this job, and this person has already done 290 orders for this very particular niche, and probably this kind of freelancer must have many other jobs he's offering. Okay, he might be doing logo design, copywriting and other stuff. So one of his job here which is removing image background, has given him 290 orders. As you can see, this is basic. Basic is $5. Remove background, 15 images, delivering in 24 hours. Okay. Now one day delivering 24 images, 15 images, including source file and a printable resolution file for $5. Now this is standard. Standard is $25. This one is 10 image, includes source file, printable resolution, commercial use and mockup included for $25, guys. $25. And this one is 2 days delivery. And this premium is $75 just to remove image background. Just to remove image background, offering for $75. 200 images, 3 days delivery, and so on and so forth. Now let's assume these 290 orders came from $5. Okay, came from the basic, which is $5, which is impossible because many of them are going to offer for $25 and premium. $5 times 290 orders, that's around $1,450. Okay, that is almost $1,005. $1,500 is around 800,000 naira plus in my local currency, which is Nigeria naira. Now that is it. Let's assume an average. This guy has earned an average of 1 million naira from just play this task. Let's assume an average. This guy has earned almost 1 million naira for just this job. Now this is how lucrative this very job is right now. So this is a level 2 offer. As you can see, it has 5 star. Let's also go down to other people who also offer this job and let's see what they offer. Now this is remove image background, and this very person now is a level 2 seller also, and he has received 72 orders. 72 orders. I will remove image background to make transparent, and as you can see, just one image for $5. Just one image for $5, and the standard is 5 image for $25. So as you can see, this is a very open market. You can dive in right now and you can start earning money from it. I'm going to be telling you later in this video how you can position yourself and how you can make money from this. Now let's go down to Upwork. Upwork is another freelancing platform where you can also create an account and also offer this job. So this is Fiverr, and if you also go further, let's go further to People Per Hour. People Per Hour is another freelancing platform where you can also offer this kind of job and get paid. Now let's search for remove image background. Image background. We're going to search for it and we're going to see the results. Now, as you can see, these are what people are offering. Design anything you want, website, logo, banner, and all of other stuff. This is professional retouch your image, two image for $10, and this is remove the background for 25 image for $10. These are what people are offering, guys, and people are making money from this. If you go to Keyword is another freelancing platform also. Is a Russia-based freelancing platform. We are going to come here and create on. We are going to search for remove image background also to see what we are talking about. Remove image background. We are going to see what people are offering. Now this is how we remove image background for 150 images in 12 hours for $10. I will cut that image, remove BG, which is background, for $20, and so on and so forth. These are what people are also offering on Upwork. Okay, so this is it. Now create an account on Fiverr, Upwork. Upwork is another platform that you can offer this job. And if you can create an account on Fiverr, Upwork, Upwork, and every of these freelance platform and offer this job, there's a probability that company will reach out to you. If you position yourself very well, they'll reach out to you and offer you this kind of job. Now this is how you can do this. Just go to this freelance platform, create an account with them. Okay, if I'm new, I will create an account with every one of them. Okay, so optimize your bio, optimize your profile, or optimize your profile and optimize your image to be professional in a way that when companies come, because they're going to review you, they will see that they are dealing with a professional person, not a local person. How do you do this? What I do is that I go to this platform, I search for the best in this niche, or the best in this job. What I do is that I model what he's doing. Okay, I model his image, I model how he optimize his background, I model how he posts his job. In model mean don't copy. You model, you can twerk, you copy what he's doing and you twerk it into your own way and you make it more better. That's how you can model. I model everything they do. I model how his name in a way that if you want to create a username, you will not just put your normal name. Alright, you can also put something like design with Evans, design with Kevin, something like that. All right. When you do something like that, they will know that okay, you are specific in designs or graphic design. So they will trust that okay, this guy is a professional in this kind of area, or this guy is a professional in this business. So they can easily offer you jobs. That's how to position yourself, and make sure you have a very good profile picture, a very well optimized profile picture, and you optimize your bio very well. Okay. If you want me to create videos on this, on how to optimize your bio on Fiverr, on how to create a Fiverr account, and how to optimize your bio on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, make sure you drop into the comment section. I'll read all the comments and I might create video on this very stuff. Now, this is how you can do it. You optimize your bio, you model what other people are doing and what works for them, and you model into your style, and definitely to work for you. Model how they are doing, and also leverage on keywords, because Fiverr also works on keywords. Okay, keywords are like Google, YouTube, what people are typing. Look for what people are typing, optimize it, because if clients are coming here to search for people who offer this kind of job, they are going to type how to remove image background, like the one we just did. So you want to put these keywords on your bio so that you will optimize and rank for that keyword. Now these are what you can do, because if you are a new seller, you don't have any review, you don't have any rank yet. The way you can sell most is by optimizing and ranking on the top page, so that clients can easily reach out to you. So this is how you can rank on Fiverr, and this is how you can offer this job. Now you have know how you can rank for this. Now, how can you do this job? Very simple. Now go over to your Google Play Store, type on BG Remover. Go to BG Remover, just search for BG Remover and go to this website, which is called www.removebg. And once you come here, this is the place you are going to be offering this job. It's very simple, guys. What you are doing is it won't even cost you 5 minutes to offer this job. Okay, so once we are on this website right now, so what you are doing is very simple. Once they offer you this job, you just come here, bring the images down here and upload the images here. And once the image is uploaded, the website will remove the image for you. Now I'm going to just do one of my pictures right now. I'm going to just put it down. I'm going to see something right now. Okay, so once you just upload the image, it's going to upload and it's going to remove the background picture for you. This won't take you more than 5 to 2 minutes to complete. Now maybe they give you 100 jobs or 100 images to complete. The 100 images will take you more than 30 to 1 hour to complete. Even 30, it won't take you more than 30 minutes to complete. So as you can see, the background is well removed with no touch or inch. Now this is just it, guys. Okay, maybe they have to give you like 100 pictures to upload. This is how you can do it. Very simple and very straightforward. Okay, with this you can even do 100 jobs within 30 minutes. Okay, so this is how you can do it. I believe you found value from this content. So this is it, guys. This is how it works. Now you have to have a PayPal account or a Payoneer account before you can receive your payments. Okay, so just create a Fiverr account. You can create an account with every one of these freelancing platform, and you can position yourself, optimize your bio, and these companies will easily reach out to you. I believe you found value from this very video. If you do, please hit the like button to encourage this video, and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for right now. Hit on that subscribe button and turn on bell notification so YouTube will remind you anytime I drop this kind of videos that will help you make more money online. Make sure you hit the like button, share this video to someone you know this video can be helpful to them. If you have any questions for me, if you have any issues or anything at all, make sure you relate it on the comment section. I read all my comments and I will respond to you immediately. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.